CAPEX Schedule. The CAPEX Schedule is only available in the Fusion Budget module. Budget CAPEX will automatically be copied to Fusion Forecast CAPEX for the start of the new fiscal year. Forecast CAPEX cannot be adjusted in the Fusion Forecast module. Existing Asset CAPEX section. After you select the business unit, the CAPEX schedule provides current, existing assets, listed by asset tag. Any new assets that will be acquired during the budget fiscal year can be added by clicking on the plus sign at the far right of the existing asset CAPEX section. In the pop-up window, select the depreciation expense account for the new asset. Input the asset description. Input the asset life in periods or months. Input the acquisition cost. Input the depreciation method. The depreciation method codes include 12, default for monthly date pattern business units. 39, select this code if the selected unit is a college, university, or K-12 unit, where depreciation is based on a 39-week year. 52. Select this code if the selected unit depreciation is based on a 52-week year. Input the period depreciation begins as the estimated period in which the depreciation would begin. Depreciation expense for any assets acquired between period 7 and period 12 of the current fiscal year will start depreciation in period 1 of the budget year. Editing the newly added capital asset depreciation. After the new asset is added, you can edit most of the pop-up window fields to adjust the life of the asset, the acquisition cost, the depreciation method, or the period when the depreciation begins. If the newly added asset needs to be deleted, you can delete the asset by clicking on the trash can icon. This does not delete the asset, but it makes all period depreciation $0. Existing lease CAPEX section. The existing lease CAPEX section provides current, existing leased assets, listed by lease depreciation accounts. Capital lease depreciation is not maintained in our J.D. Edwards fixed asset system. It can be tracked in the J.D. Edwards General Ledger, but by general ledger accounts and not individual assets. The capital lease depreciation accounts track the existing capital lease acquisition cost, the existing capital lease accumulated depreciation, and the existing capital lease depreciation expense. The capital lease depreciation method code defaults to 1. Capital lease depreciation is always calculated on a daily basis. Adding, editing, and deleting newly acquired capital leases follow the same pop-up window steps as adding acquired assets. The CAPEX Summary, Postable Data section. This section accumulates both asset depreciation and capital lease depreciation by account. By clicking on the Post CAPEX button, the CAPEX Summary account depreciation will automatically post to the budget in the appropriate depreciation accounts. CAPEX Preview Page. The CAPEX Preview page provides a glimpse of what the Fusion Fixed Asset System will look like at the start of the budget fiscal year. The CAPEX Preview page also provides a glimpse of what Fusion considers the general ledger leased asset accounts would look like at the start of the budget fiscal year.